Kur civil society held a meeting in Sabirabad to discuss problems caused by the Kur and Araz River floods in 2000. Local government representatives and the police failed to prevent civil society representatives and residents of Imishli, South Wahajogabul and other regions of Azerbaijan from attending the meeting. The meeting mainly focused on strategic issues for economic and infrastructure development in regions around Kur River. The first speech came from residents of the Kur Valley who expressed fury at the government's failure to take measures to help victims of the floods. They accused the government of being involved in corruption and remaining indifferent to the problems of the citizens. The flood victims complained that no compensation has been provided for them and that farmers can't get loans to restore agriculture which was destroyed by the flood. The majority of participants said that they don't even have money to cover daily costs. Oktay Gülaliyev, the coordinator of the Kur Civil Society, said that the citizens' complaints brought a number of issues to the agenda. Citizens requested that seeds, fertilizer, fuel, and technical equipment to be provided for the spring planting. Giving credits with special discounts to the flood victims would also be a big help for them, said Oktay Gülaliyev. Gülaliyev suggested that citizens appealed to the government to adopt a state program on the development of the region around the Kur River. As a result of the Kur and Araz River floods in 2000, a 100,000-hectare area and 20,000 homes were flooded. The Azerbaijani government allocated 400 million manats for the restoration of the region, but now the money has been spent and many problems remain unsolved.